Welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this video, we will see what is describe statement and how to use it. Let's see the definition, so it provides a description of the specified table or view. Let's try to take an example. First we have to see how many databases we have. Suppose, we want to use school database. Before applying any statement here, let's see our data, which is present in our students table. For that, just use from and select statement, and we have already discussed these things in previous videos. It is the present data in our school table. Now here, let's take a problem statement. Suppose you want to know the properties of your data. First property, you want to know that, which column contains the primary key property. And the second property, you want to know that, what are the data types of all the column. So basically it is very simple. Remove the previous statements. Just write the describe, and your table name. So our table name is students. Now you will observe that, it is the different format of table, it is showing. So let's try to understand this table. Try to focus here. You can see APRI is written in key section, it means ID is having primary key property. And in the second column, they all are the data types of columns. So whenever you want to check this type of properties in your tables, you can use describe statement. We will see more things in next video. Do not forget to like the videos, and please subscribe to the channel.